Number 1, a group that has clear roles and mutual respect is likely in which stage? Oh, ito, no? Ito po yung isa sa mga nagpaluha at nagpagulo ng isipan ng mga nag-take ng march, okay? So would this be letter A, storming, letter B, norming, letter C, forming, or letter D, adjourning? What is your choice for item number 1? Kapag ka medyo hindi po ito familiar, no? That's okay, di ba? Kasi bago po itong item sa ating licensure exam. Of course, kapag ka hindi po ito familiar, kaya po tayo nandito, kaya po tayo nagdi-discuss at hinihimay-himay po natin yung ating mga items para klarong-klaro na po, no? Kahit nakapikit, kahit nakasplit, di ba? Ay kayang-kaya po nating sagutan yung ating pong licensure exam. Alright, I see a lot of letter B sa ating comment box. Tumpa kaya ang letter B. Ayun, first question ito sa Prof. Ed nung March. Sabi dito ng ating commenter, okay? So letter B nga kaya ang ating hinahanap, sabi dito, no? Isang grupo kung saan meron po silang klarong roles at meron na po silang mutual na respeto sa isa't isa ay nasa anong stage? Would this be letter A, storming, letter B, okay, letter B, norming. Okay, again, letter A, storming, no? Babalikan ko po kasi medyo naghang ako. Letter B, norming, letter C, forming, or letter D, adjourning. And of course, tumpak na choice po natin dito is, ang tumpak na choice po, no, hindi sure si Ma'am Angela, that would be letter B, norming, ang ating hinahanap. Ayun, sabi ni Taylor Swift, ano yan? Okay, kaya po tayo nandito at nagdi-discuss. Okay, so tumpak na choice po natin, letter B. So actually, no, parte po ito ng stages of group development according to Bruce Stockman. Okay, so this is Bruce Stockman's stages of group development. No? Yung ating po mnemonic dito would be FS NPA. Okay, so FSNPA, meron po tayong 5 stages, no? So meron po tayong 5 different stages. What is the meaning of FSNPA? Unang-una po is F, no? So forming. Forming is the first one, no? So when you say forming, ayan, nag-a-adjust pa lamang yung mga miyembro. First time yung mag-meet, okay? Kunwari, meron kayong action research, no? Meron kayong community outreach program, okay? So first time yung mag-meet, na ino-orient pa lang kayo, nagkakamustahan pa lang kayo, nag-icebreaker pa lamang kayo, nag-getting to know pa lang kayo. Sana all getting to know you stayed, okay? Or stage, no? And so this is just forming. Members are still adjusting, okay? So forming po yan. Now, the next one is S, no? Ang S po ay storming. Ano naman po yung storming dito? Conflicts may arise and misunderstandings may happen. Bakit? Diba? Kasi nga, unang kita nyo, unang pagkakakilala nyo sa isa't isa, aba, syempre, no, may patalbugan na dyan, diba? May patayugan ng ihi, no? So, mas magaling ako, naku, alam ko to, no? Gets ko na to. Eto, kaya ko to kasi nakahandle na ako nito minsan, no? Ay, naging leader ako sa ganito, diba? So, meron po mga conflict, no? Mga komplekto. And of course, meron po mga misunderstandings during your storming stage, okay? So, again, first is forming, pagkakakilala, orientation, etc. The next is storming, no? Conflicts and misunderstandings. Dahil nga, hindi pa fixed yung inyo po mga roles, hindi nyo pa alam kung sinong dapat mag-handle nito. Medyo may mga agawan factor pa, medyo may pabida pa dyan, di ba? May mga Jollibee pa po yan dyan, okay? So, that is storming. Now, next is norming. Ito na po yung ating hinahanap sa ating question, no? Kasi sabi ng norming mo, roles become clear, cooperation and respect develop. Ito na, no? So, alam na natin, kunwari, tinignan mo yung credentials niya or tinignan mo yung work experience ng kada miyembro, no? At sabihin mo or sinabi mo, ito, dito siya dapat, okay? Ito naman, magmamanage ng ganito, ikaw yung sa logistics, no? Ikaw naman yung sa mga paperwork natin, ikaw yung bahala sa mga lisensya natin, ikaw yung bahala sa communication, okay? So, the norms or the roles become clearer, and of course, there is cooperation and respect that get developed, okay? So, yan po yung ating third stage, no? At yan po yung ating hinahanap dito kasi nga clear na yung roles, meron na pong mutual respect ang bawat member ng mga grupo, okay? And of course, no, performing. Dahil nga klaro na, no, yung mga roles nila, nagkaroon na sila ng respeto at communication, they can become productive, no? So, performing na, ayan na, wow, performance level na sila, nagiging productive na sila, no? Sabi dito, paano po yung Senado, no? Nasa anong stage na po? Kaya nako po, di ba? Alam naman natin, nasa storming pa rin po sila hanggang ngayon, okay? So performing na po yan, no? Performing, the group becomes productive, okay? So now they can do their tasks, they can do their jobs, they can do all their roles, okay? And finally, once natapos na po yung kanilang action research, yung kanilang project, then they have adjourning, okay? So here, the group disbands, okay? So tapos na yung project natin, no? Magkikita-kita tayo ulit, hopefully. If not, then this is the last day that we'd see each other's faces, okay? We now disband and say goodbye to all, okay? Say goodbye to each other. That is adjourning, okay? Mukhang na-adjourn na nga, no, yung Senate natin. Ayan, stuck na ang Senate sa storming, sabi dito ni, Senator Bato pa yung pangalan niya, okay? So, FSNPA, forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Forming, unang kita, okay? Orientation, icebreaker, nagpapakilala, no? Storming, ayan na, meron na mga misunderstanding, may mga conflicts kasi pataasan ng ihi, no? Hindi pa nila alam, hindi pa nila gamay yung ugali at kakayanan ng bawat isa. And of course, norming, klaro na yung roles nila, meron ng cooperation and mutual respect. Then because of that, they can go to the next stage, which is performing, no? Now they become productive, and after the project, after the task, they adjourn. Okay? So sana po klaro na ito, FSNPA, that's Bruce Tuckman stages of group development, but the right choice for number 1 is letter B.